Hey guys, Proven Winners just sent me a new product to try out. They're called flower pillows, and I think it's a really great concept. What it essentially is a giant tea bag that's pre-filled with a really pretty combination of plants. And I think the number one reason why I like this idea is because I know that there are people out there who really labor over what to put together to have a really pretty combination in the end. And I labor over that too sometimes. Sometimes it gets a little overwhelming with all the choices out there. So they've done all the work for us. All you have to do is just look at what's in each combination and pick out what you think is pretty. Some of them have a combo of 3 plants, some of them a combo of 2, and some just have a single, so you know it's going to be a mass of gorgeous color. The other reason I like this idea is because it's a time saver. All you have to do is pop the tea bag out of its tray and plant it in your own container. And it just roots in and grows. When we normally plant up our containers, you know, we're taking individual plants out of pots and having to rough up their root system, plant them in their containers, and it just takes them a little while to acclimate and start to grow. And these are obviously ready to just blast off when you put them in their pot. I mean, you can look and see all of the roots growing. Since this is my first time trying these out, I want to try them in a few different shapes and styles of containers. So I'm going to move these off and go get my containers. Hanging basket first, and this is a 14-inch size basket. It's recommended to use a 12 to 14-inch size container for the flower pillows. And I'm going to start with a Rose Blast Charm Supertunia for this one. So I'm going to add in some all-purpose potting soil, a little bit of slow release fertilizer, work that in, pop it out of the tray, and this tray is recyclable, and plant it in. I'm going to make sure the majority of the flower pillow is covered just up to the base of the plant. Okay, next one. This is a 12-inch pot. I'm going to use the Velvet Skies combo in this one. This is a mix of a mini silver petunia, royal velvet petunia, and the blushing princess alyssum. I think it's going to be a really pretty purple combination in this teal pot. Okay, put it in the pot. All right, last one. Last container has a diameter of only 11 inches, which is pushing it on the size, but I want to try it out and see how it'll do. It still has quite a deep reservoir, so I think it'll be okay. I'm going to use the Enchanted Garden combo on this one, which I think is gorgeous, especially in this brown pot. It's the Supertunia Black Cherry Supertunia Latte and the Sweet Caroline Raven Sweet Potato Vine. Okay. All 3 of my test plots are planted and ready, so I'm going to water them in and go put them in a nice bright sunny spot, and we will be giving you updates as the season progresses to show you how they are looking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you're following us so you can see the updates of these throughout the season. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!